Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix logo text alignment in Shopify Debutify theme. So if your logo or text isn't aligned properly in this theme on Shopify, you'll have to first check the built-in settings in Debutify theme to see if you can fix it without coding. So navigate to Shopify admin, navigate to online store, then navigate to themes under online store and click on the customize button after your Debutify theme. Now click on header settings just right here. So you can click here on the header and this will show up these settings. Now look for logo alignment options like center, left and right. Select the correct alignment and save your changes. So you can see the logo position as middle left, top center and middle center. You'll have to just select one of them. So after selecting the correct alignment, save your changes, and if this fixes the issue, you are good to go. If not, let's move to CSS adjustments. So if your logo text is still off, we will manually fix it using CSS. Simply navigate to Shopify admin, navigate to online store, navigate to themes, then click on this three-dotted icon after Debutify theme, then click on edit code. Now in the left panel, find assets under edit code. So you can also go here and search for assets. Now under assets, choose theme.css. So you can also just directly search for theme.css. After searching for theme.css, you'll have to scroll to the bottom and add the code that is added in the description of this video. After adding it to the bottom, you'll have to click on save and then refresh your store. And your problem will be instantly fixed. And that's it. Your logo and text are now properly aligned in your Debutify theme. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you need more Shopify fixes. See you next time.